video, we're going to be replacing the timer in a General Electric stackable washer and dryer. So the issue with this washing machine is that the timer wasn't advancing from the wash cycle to the rinse cycle. And so here is the part number and the part, and you can get this on Amazon, which I will provide a link below. It isn't a cheap part, but it does fix the problem. So anytime you have the washer not advancing to a cycle or not moving, then it's definitely the timer and you need to replace it. So the first thing you do is take off the cover between the washer and dryer, and then there are 6 screws which are holding the kind of the control area together. There's 3 on each side, and so you'll take all 6 of those screws off. And then you'll pull it out a little bit. Once you get the control panel down and you can see behind it, you still can't remove the knob on the front of the timer because there is a little plastic piece on the back which you need to pull up with a common screwdriver, and you can see I'm doing that here. Once that's pulled up, then you can pull the knob off of the front. Now once that knob is pulled off, there is also a screw from the front that is holding it to the panel, so you'll need to remove that screw. And then once that screw is removed, I try to use a common screwdriver to pull the clip a little bit, but you also might want to just remove it from the control panel, if you will, and then do it. But do it gently, make sure you don't break that clip. So you just want to kind of release it a little bit and then pull it and wiggle it till it comes apart. So you want to replace it with the new one, and so I'll clip it into the wires to connect it first. Then put it into the slot, and there are 2 little clips that need to go under the control panel so you can get that in there secure. And then remember, there is a screw on the front that you'll need to attach first. And then once that screw is attached, you'll want to make sure that you put the knob on before you put it back together. So there's a kind of one piece and then a second piece on the knob. So push those into place. And once they're in place, then you need to push the little clip in the back forward till it clicks. You'll hear a little click, and then I do like to just kind of test it, push it in and out, turn it around, make sure that it's working correctly before you close everything back up. Now that it's all working, you're going to just put it back together. So you put the control panel back up there, and then you replace those 6 screws that we did remove. And then once those 6 screws are in place, then you just put that cover back on and you're good to go. And of course I like to test it before I leave just to make sure it works, but you shouldn't have any issues, and it's a fairly easy repair. Again, a link to the part is below in the description. Thank you for watching Cat and Nose, and I wish you the best of luck with all of your real estate investments. Thanks.